Good morning, this is Langley Park and we're just going to assemble a clutch. This is what they call a twin paddle clutch. So it starts off with basically the back plate, which has got the pressure plate on the top. So you've got this assembly here, which is what holds the two plates together. Now that gets dowelled onto the back plate. Then we have the first plate, which is got to go in these little grooves. Just got to line them up. That drops into the bottom, and then we have the first friction plate, which is a Sinter bronze plate with 4 paddles. That's going to go in there like that, facing down, and then you have the second main plate, which is going to sit in here like this, and then get them to line up. There you go, that's dropped in. That's nice and neat. These have all been cleaned. These are not brand new, so we're going to use, they're not worn out yet. Then we've got the second plate. Now that has a red dot on there. That's a red dot on there, so they've got to line up. Make sure it goes in there like that. And that's the assembled clutch. Now obviously that's got to go onto the flywheel, and we have to line that up with a shaft. And we have a shaft here somewhere. Down somewhere. Okay, we'll find out in a minute. Basically that will then sit on the flywheel itself with 6 bolts holding it in, and obviously that's then ready for use. So we'll get on that now in a minute. So just bear with me a second and I'll find the plate. Go. Right, that's the spigot, and then obviously the spline shaft, that input shaft from the gearbox. So that's a dummy one we use to line the whole lot up with. So we can put that through there. Find the right spline. That's one in. Make sure they're held together. And that's through. Right, so that's that assembled. So we're then ready for putting that onto the flywheel. Okay, thank you very much.